Hello, and welcome to Aalborg University. This is a video guide to understand the Danish lease contract. Reviewing the contract. This is a review of the Danish tenancy agreement. By law, you must sign the Danish tenancy agreement. You can also find an unauthorized translation on our webpage. Tenancy information. You can see the accommodation type here. This is the address with your room or apartment number, and your name and nationality. This is the number of square meters. Be aware that in Denmark, it includes a part of the common areas, staircases, walls, etc. Here, it states that you have access to a laundry facility. You can find more information on our website. This is the date your agreement starts. Financial overview. Here is the yearly rent, and this is the basic monthly rent. In addition to the basic rent, there will be added heating, water, electricity, and internet, and some service fees. The service fees come in a service contract with a breakdown. This comes down to the monthly rent of this amount here, and this is for the 3 months. Deposit and prepaid rent. For students, before arrival, you must pay a deposit, which is equal to 2 months of rent, and you also pay 3 months ahead, which is stated here. These two amounts, minus the prepaid deposit, which you paid when you applied for accommodations, comes to this amount. This amount must be paid before arrival. If you are a scholarship holder managed by Aalborg University, you have the possibility to pay the rent monthly. For PhD students and staff, you must pay 1 month deposit and 1 month of rent. Your payment can include towels and bedding if you have ordered that. The next payment is due the 5th of the month. You will receive an email with the amount and date when your next payment is due. Please be aware, if you live in Jyllandskilde, the rent is due on the 12th of the month. You will receive the bill in your mailbox. Provided services. The accommodation is provided with heat, water, and electricity. Please note, cooling is not provided. You are provided with internet. And you have 14 days to let us know in writing if something is missing or lacking upon arrival. Maintenance and inventory. There is a stove, fridge, basic kitchen equipment, and basic furniture, plus lighting. You are not allowed to have pets. House rules is a part of Section 11 in your agreement, and it is in English. Signature. Once you have read the house rules, you must sign the tenancy agreement stating the date and your signature here. This part is for the International Accommodation Office. Service contract. This is a service contract, which shows the breakdown for furniture, maintenance, internet, and inspection services. Here you can see the concrete prices, and this is the monthly cost, which is already included in the rent you have on page 2. This is not an extra expense. You must sign with date and signature here. Signatures. Once you have signed both the tenancy agreement and the service contract, we can assure that your accommodation is ready for your arrival. Thank you for listening. We look forward to welcoming you to Denmark.